Hello my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to taking a closer look at the fascinating life of Melania Trump, from her childhood in Slovenia to her current role as a former First Lady of the United States. We will explore the journey, her passions and of course her impeccable fashion sense. From her stunning gown to her chic state dinner outfits, Melania has consistently impressed with her style. We will also examine her relationship with Donald Trump, including their whirlwind romance and her role as a super type partner. But that's not all. I will be sharing some exclusive insights and behind the scenes stories that you won't want to miss. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more content like this and watch my other videos for more biographies, fashion content and more. Support me by liking and commenting below. So Melania's early life in Slovenia was marked by strong work ethic and passion for design. She began modeling at a young age, appearing in numerous campaigns and runway shows. Her big break came when she moved to New York City and signed with a top modeling agency. Melania's relationship with Donald Trump began in 2005 and the two were married in 2005. As First Lady, Melania has focused on issues like children's health and education. She has also been vocal advocate for women's empowerment and gender equality. Melania's fashion choices have been widely praised for their elegance and sophistication. She has worn designs by top designers like Dolce & Gabbana and Christian. Melania has also been named one of the most stylish women in the world by numerous publications. Despite facing criticism and scrutiny, Melania remains a beloved figure in American politics. Her dedication to her family and her country is truly inspiring. So in this video, we will take a closer look at Melania's life from her childhood to her current role. We will also explore her passions, her interests and of course her fashion choice. So you won't want to miss this inside look at one of the most fascinating women in the world. So be sure to watch until the end for all the juicy details and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next videos. And my dear subscribers and all my viewers, Melania's legacy as First Lady will be remembered for years to come. Her impact on American politics and culture cannot be overstated. I hope you have enjoyed this video on Melania Trump's biography and fashion life. So let me know what you think in the comments below and don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and family. And if you want to see more content like this, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thanks again for watching, my dear subscribers and all my viewers. I hope you like this video, so be sure to like, subscribe and share this video with your family and friends. And please tell me in comment box what do you like in my videos and which type of video do you like in future. My dear friends and all my subscribers, I request all of you, if you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe my channel and click the notification bell. Thank you very much.